Hey guys, Super Bowser fan. Today I want to show you how you can get a original Xbox disc tray open without the system on. So all you need is a paperclip. You see this hole here? Paperclip goes into this hole right here, and then there you go. Look at that. And then turn it on. You heard that. And here's the boot up. So it's pretty cool. And also, it's very useful for getting the tray unstuck when ejecting it, because of because look, tray doesn't want to move, but hold on a sec. Yeah, well, it won't work. Well, it also works just by hitting it. That's what I do, because I don't have a paperclip around sometimes. And yeah, what's in there? Looks like the laser is in there too. So, guess that's how it reads games. So I'm going to put this game in. Just because. And it also gets stuck closed. I mean, open too. Which is really weird. And see here. It's reading. And there we go. It works. So yeah. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, opening it with the disc in it, it works just fine. Which, that's kind of weird, but you know, that's just the way the Xbox is. So I think sometimes I had that problem with my Xbox 360 too, with the vertical. So yeah, that's kind of stupid. All right, well, I hope you liked the this video of me opening the tray without the system on. So yeah, bye.